Hey class, Miss Thomas here. We get to have a little bit of fun today. So what we're going to do today is talk a bit more about Math Club. So if you were at our live lesson earlier in the week, you got to hear a bit about Math Club and how much fun we are going to have just practicing math. And that's one of those things is we just need to get more and more comfortable seeing numbers and math and getting excited when we see those numbers. So we're going to be doing something today about our math club. So I'm going to show you and walk you through how to get in. We're going to take a little pre-test. And now this test, I don't want you to be worried about at all. There is a lot of questions. There's 50 total. There's 50 questions total. But we're going to break it up today in a couple chunks. I want you to work on 15, maybe 20 questions, then get up, stretch, get a snack, take a little break, and then come back and do another 15 to 20. Get up, stretch, take a break afterwards, and finish up the rest. So kind of just take it in a couple doses, but I'd like that to be done today. You're not going to see much more work. We have a lesson about gratitude, our character trait for the week, and then we also have a science lesson. But aside from that, I want you to focus here on this test. This test, you are going to see a lot of questions that you don't know. You're not going to know them. Some of them are third grade topics. Some of them are topics that we haven't even talked about in the second grade. So when you see those questions, I want you to tell yourself, it's okay that I don't know. It is absolutely okay. Guess what? Miss Thomas probably doesn't know how to do some of them either, so it's all right. But anyways, I want you to make your best guess. If you don't know and you see the numbers or you don't know what it's asking you, it's absolutely okay. Okay, I want you just to click the best choice. So get out a piece of paper and a pencil when you start the test so you have scratch paper that you can sit and you can work through these problems. All right, enough of me talking. I want to show you how to get to the test. So here on your main page, you're going to see all of your tiles. You're going to go to the very first one right here, Acaletics. Okay, this one says Math Club, but we're not going to go into that one yet. We're going to click the one right there that says Acaletics. From here, you're going to scroll down, okay? You're going to scroll until you see grade 2. That is your grade. We're not kindergarten, first grade, or anything else. We're going to click second grade. Now you are a student, so you're going to click student, and then we're going to get to this login page here. So you have all of your login information. I have sent in a dojo message. So if you need that, I need you to go and ask your mom or your dad or your adults, your grown up at home, to get you that login information. It is in a message in dojo. I'm going to pretend that I am Jayani today. So I'm going to go ahead and use her number to log in. You're going to have a few numbers first in it. So just make sure you focus and type it in. Then you're going to have the first letter of your first name and then your last name. All right. And the password is password, all lowercase. So you just type in the same word, PASSWORD. And then you're going to click sign in. I'm not going to click the test because this is Jayani's test, so I want her to take it. But right here, it says take the test. And so that is where you are going to click and you're going to begin. Okay, so if you log out, it'll restart you where you left off during your test. So I want you to, like I said, start it, answer 15, maybe 20. Maybe 20 is a good goal, 20 questions. Have your piece of paper and your pencil, fill it out. It is, again, absolutely okay that you don't know how to do some of these problems. I don't want you to be stressed or worried or get frustrated at all. These are all things that we will learn. If not this year, you'll learn them in third grade and fourth grade. This is just a math club, and it's just to get us excited and learning more and more about math and how to solve crazy questions. All right, so I want this to be relaxed, fun, no big deal. There's no pressure on you. You will not be getting a grade on this, but just do your best work. And if you don't know, pick the answer that you think looks best. Okay, will you let me know if you have any questions at all? Let me know, send me a message in Dojo, and we'll go from there. All right, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.